Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Replit Agent and Cursor AI. Replit Agent and Cursor AI are both advanced tools designed to enhance the software development process. Replit Agent is an AI-powered platform that helps users build applications quickly by describing them in natural language. It automates tasks like environment setup, dependency management, and deployment, making coding easier for beginners. The browser-based platform allows users to work from anywhere without installing software. Replit Agent is especially useful for rapid prototyping and creating projects without deep programming knowledge. It simplifies complex development processes, saving time and effort. While it may limit advanced customization for experienced developers, it's very beginner-friendly. Cursor is an AI-powered coding assistant that helps developers write code faster and smarter. It gives context-aware suggestions, completes code snippets, and can handle multi-line edits, saving time on repetitive tasks. The tool integrates easily with popular code editor, making it simple to add to your workflow. Cursor can also help refactor code and improve readability, which is useful for large projects. Its AI understands the context of your project, so suggestions are more accurate. The interface is clean and user-friendly even for beginners. Overall, Replit Agent is better for beginners and rapid app prototyping, while Cursor AI is ideal for developers seeking advanced coding assistance. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.